Today we are going to learn about mastering Vault, secure secrets with HashiCorp. We'll explore how to effectively use Vault for secret management in cloud-native architectures, enhancing your skills in protecting sensitive data within applications. Welcome to the introduction of HashiCorp Vault, a pivotal tool in the realm of secure secret management. As organizations transition to cloud-native architectures, securely managing secrets as passwords, API keys, and certificates becomes paramount. HashiCorp Vault stands out as a solution designed to address these concerns. It provides a secure, efficient, and unified way to manage secrets across various environments. By integrating seamlessly into your DevOps workflows, Vault ensures that your sensitive data is protected, while also being easily accessible to authorized applications and users.
In today's rapidly evolving IT landscape, security challenges are more prevalent than ever. The rise of cloud-native architectures has introduced new vectors for potential attacks. Vault serves as a central piece in this puzzle, offering organizations a way to mitigate these risks effectively. By storing secrets securely and managing access, Vault ensures that sensitive data is only accessible to those who need it, thus supporting compliance with various regulations and standards. Its ability to integrate with existing systems and workflows makes it a versatile tool in building a secure IT infrastructure. Vault is designed to manage secrets across diverse environments, whether on-premises or in the cloud. It excels in dynamically generating secrets for services, ensuring that permissions and access are tightly controlled. Vault's leasing mechanism allows secrets to have a defined life cycle, automatically renewing them when necessary and revoking them if needed. This approach ensures that secrets remain current and secure, adapting to the specific needs of each environment. Moreover, Vault's multi-cloud support ensures consistent secret management across different platforms, making it a critical asset in a multi-environment strategy.
Setting up a Vault server is a straightforward process that begins with ensuring you have the necessary prerequisites, such as a compatible operating system and sufficient resources. The Vault server can be configured using a simple configuration file, where you define storage backends and listener addresses. Once configured, the server must be initialized and unsealed, a process that involves generating and distributing unsealed keys to allow access to the server. With the server running, you can enable various secret engines to start managing secrets. Basic command line operations will help you familiarize yourself with the Vault environment, forming the foundation for more advanced configurations.
Authentication in Vault is a critical component that ensures only authorized users and applications can access secrets. The token-based authentication method is simple yet powerful, allowing users to authenticate using tokens that represent their identity and permissions. For applications, the app role method provides a more secure mechanism by rotating secret IDs and storing roles within Vault. Configuring policies is essential to define what actions each token or app role can perform, thereby enforcing strict access control. Adhering to security best practices, such as regularly rotating tokens and minimizing privileges, enhances the overall security posture of your Vault deployment. Creating and accessing secrets in Vault is a fundamental task that involves both static and dynamic secrets. Static secrets are fixed, such as API keys, while dynamic secrets are generated on demand and have a limited lifespan. Vault's API and command line interface, CLI, offer flexible ways to access these secrets programmatically or manually. Implementing secret versioning ensures that you can track changes and roll back if necessary. The key/value secrets engine is commonly used for storing simple secrets, and following best practices, like using encryption and access logs, guarantees that your secrets are managed securely and efficiently. Integrating Vault with DevOps pipelines automates the secure management of secrets throughout the C/CD process. By integrating with popular tools like Jenkins and GitLab, Vault ensures that secrets are injected securely into your build and deployment pipelines. This integration not only streamlines the management of secrets but also enhances security by maintaining version control over secret updates and minimizing the exposure of sensitive data. By automating these processes, you can reduce human error and ensure that your DevOps pipelines remain secure and compliant with industry standards. Managing Vault policies effectively is crucial for maintaining a secure environment. Policies define what actions users and applications can perform, and crafting these policies requires a deep understanding of your organization's security needs. Implementing the principle of least privilege ensures that users only have the access necessary to perform their tasks. Regular audits of policies help identify and rectify any potential security loopholes. Role-based access control, RBAC, further refines access management by assigning permissions based on roles. Understanding policy inheritance and hierarchy allows for more granular control and simplifies the management of complex policy structures. Monitoring and auditing are critical components of maintaining a secure Vault deployment. By setting up audit devices, you can capture and record all interactions with Vault, providing a comprehensive view of who accessed what and when. Analyzing these audit logs helps in identifying unusual activities and potential security breaches. Implementing real-time alerting and notifications ensures that you are immediately informed of any suspicious activities, allowing for swift action. Regular monitoring and auditing not only enhance security but also ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, reinforcing the trust in your organization's secret management practices.
We've reached the end of our comprehensive journey into mastering HashiCorp Vault. Throughout this video, we explored Vault's core features, from setting up a server to managing secrets securely across various environments. The importance of secure secret management cannot be overstated, especially in today's cloud-driven world. By applying these skills, you can significantly enhance the security posture of your applications and infrastructures. Remember, mastering Vault is an ongoing process that involves continuous learning and optimization. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you feel empowered to implement Vault in your organization with confidence.